hydrangeas. They always just look good. And then you fill with flowers in between. And then these come at the end. I don't know how other people do it, but that's how I do it. It's not easy to be detail-oriented because you don't always get things your way. My mother was very detail-oriented, extremely. She used to set the most beautiful tables. You learn what you see from your parents.
I come in and I help her, and then she likes to correct all the things I do wrong. I think I actually, speaking of wrong, I think she puts the fork on the right and I put it on the left because I'm left-handed. My mother and father both are very detail-oriented in different ways. As much as I didn't think I was, it really is in my DNA from both of them. And my girls are always like, they call her me mama, why does me mama always want everything so perfect? I'm like, well, that's just how she likes things perfect.
Thank you, in the middle.
In the middle?
In the middle. The place settings are great. Where's the bigger fork? Oh, we need the dinner forks.
Oh, you wanted 2 forks? What happens when things aren't straight in your world? First time opening a bottle?
Yeah, I know, I'm trying my best here. The family dinner was like the most amazing part for me in life, that power of the dinner table of us sitting around together. I mean, my wife today still laughs because if people are coming over, like, well, we can just order something. I'm like, we're not gonna order something, we're gonna cook food. That's how we do it. Starting from scratch is one part of it, but it's also the whole experience of everything we do.
Here for a refill.
Oh yeah, California or French?
I like California, he likes French. I know.
That's for the
I know, you know that I care.
Voila. Look at that turkey.
Wow, that looks good.
So sweet. Haig was so sweet at the time. At the time.
There's something about the meals that taste so much better when they're made from scratch. You know how much love and effort has been put into it. But things that you don't get at a restaurant here.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving, Paul.
So you all know my favorite thing. What? Oh, God, boo-boo. What are you grateful for? We're gonna start with you, Scarlett. What is it that you're most grateful for, baby?
I'm grateful for my family and my parents who give me food and put a roof over my head.
That's right.
I'm grateful to be able to be with family, but also I'm grateful that we actually like spending time with each other, and I hope that our kids can continue this tradition.
I'm so grateful for this big dinner table with all these young, crazy little kids. Power of this dinner table is the most amazing thing we have. Thank you, Mom, for making this dinner. And Dad, thank you for doing all that you do. I don't know what it is yet, but we'll figure it out.
No, I love all of you.
Equally.
Especially you. Especially you. I love you so much. And all of you, I love you more than anything else. Cheers.
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 Cheers,
Doesn't
everyone.
matter.
Happy Thanksgiving to everyone's health.
God bless America.
Love it. God bless America, that's right.
Here we're so tangled.
It looks good.
Wait, look at your dad. Scarlett, look at your dad. Oh my God. This was such a fun party.